Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to access Adobe Firefly for a free beginner-friendly guide. Adobe Firefly by Adobe lets you create stunning AI-generated images and designs using simple text prompts. On iPhone, you do not necessarily need a separate app. You can access Firefly directly through your App Store, and the free version gives you a limited monthly credit, which is perfect for the beginners to experiment and learn AI design without paying. So first, you need to launch your App Store here, and after that, what you can do is you can go to your search bar on the bottom there and simply type down Adobe Firefly. Over here we can just find this Adobe Firefly AI generator. Simply tap over there, get beside it, and after some time you will get access to the Adobe Firefly. And accessing Adobe Firefly on iPhone is now very easier than ever, especially with the apps like Adobe Firefly AI generator available on the App Store. Whether you choose the app or the browser method, you can start creating AI generated visuals in minutes, and the free plan gives you enough credits to experiment, learn and build creative content without any cost, making it an excellent starting point for the beginners exploring AI designs on mobile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below.